traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the euro dollar monthly, I still think this is either an expanding flat wave C or possibly a running flat wave C. An expanding flat would make a higher high, a running flat would make a lower low, but either way, I don't really think it's over for either scenario. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still think this wave 5 is the end of a 1. I think this ABC is an expanding flat wave 2. I think this is already a wave 3, so like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and I think we're in a wave 3 of 3, which I think at least on the weekly time frame should continue to make those higher highs, higher lows. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we've been a little bit on the sideways ever since last week's FOMC, but it still looks to me like the end of an ABC correction right here. And knowing the higher time frames is likely in a wave 3, I'm definitely still very bullish. There's no breaker structure to the downside or anything telling us that the trend is back down, so I'm still primarily looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, the euro dollar has been very sideways since the FOMC interest rate news last week. This is the swing high and the swing low that was created at the news, and price is right in the middle of that. But there's no breaker structure to the downside, so the trend is definitely still technically up, and I definitely still would technically be looking for longs in an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have an impulsive move up, and to me, I think this does look like one down, three up, and then one down. It does have that ABC look to it. So I think there is a pretty good chance that this here is like impulsive up. This right here is going to be corrective down, and I still am looking for more longs. If it does make a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the upside, I would definitely take it as a long opportunity. If it does decide to go down and break structure, that's fine by me. Once it does decide to break structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for shorts. If it doesn't break structure, I'm definitely still on the long side, and I'm looking for longs at the end of every pullback I see. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.